Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so right now my father is learning how to drive and Sanjay is teaching my father. So here so my father has to drive around and then he has to enter from this gate and then he has to park right there. Let's see how he drives, guys. Hey. Go, 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 go. And now mom is driving, guys. There, hey. Mom is the driver right now. So mom and dad are learning how to drive. Papa is waiting for his turn and mom is not leaving the car. She is driving round and round. Guys, that's Prasad. Prasad came with his Lamborghini. What? Stop. This guy is crazy. Yo, bro. And then it started to rain. As you can see, it started to rain and then our compound is filled with water. So we're gonna go and buy some Maggi and we're gonna do Maggi party during the rain. Yes. Let's go.
Yes, I will swim here. 1, 2.
Aha.
Please help me to. I want that umbrella.
Prasad. Stupid boy. Let's go.
It's nightfall and you're not here to get me through it.
That's awesome, guys.
I'm gonna run in the rain.
Yay.
1, 2, 3.
Yo guys, what's up? Woo! Oh, Mare. Oh, yare. Yo! Thanks, bro. So we just met our subscribers.
We met our subscriber, man.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
So alright, we have reached the store. So we're gonna buy Maggi from here.
Bravo. Maggi life, bro.
7 Maggis, please.
Let me dedicate this song to you guys. Across the ocean, across the sea, started to forget the way you look at me now. Over the mountains, across the sky, need to see your face and need to look at your eyes.
So now we are back in the kitchen and Prasan is gonna cook the Maggi.
No.
Cook or prepare, whatever you call it. And here's an update on the incubator. If you don't know about this egg incubator thing, please go and watch the fish video. I'll link in the description below. So we started a project where we try to hatch eggs at home. So it's been 20 days now and the eggs are still eggs. And in between we had some power cuts and also we faced an earthquake. So according to Nepali myth, if there's an earthquake, like the eggs won't hatch, like the eggs won't hatch. So it's been 20 days. It's supposed to hatch on the 21st day. Let's hope for the best. Finger crossed. Prasad is working in every video. Wow, very nice. Yay!
I used to work at Tasty Test.
So we're gonna add tomato
Tomato.
and we have few green chilies.
This green chili is not so healthy. Instead of that, we will add this one.
Awesome. It's gonna be super spicy. 1.
Hey. 1, 2.
It looks yummy already. Wow.
Masala is shaking, guys.
So guys, Prasad is gonna prepare Maggi in his own style.
Yeah.
Salt Bay. Now it's time to add the Maggi. Hey, nice. What? Bro, no. Now it's time to add water. Guys, this thing has a hole right here. Oh, right here. So it is leaking. Oh no.
Prasant's mood also is leaking.
Prasad mood. After waiting for around 15 minutes, the Maggi is finally ready. Here is the final result of the Maggi. Prasant's new recipe, guys. Alright guys, so it has stopped raining and the sun is shining, and that's Rahul's house, guys. Alright, let's see how it is. Prasant's preparing dish. Maggi Prasant's recipe, guys.
Sprite's kitchen. Sprite kitchen.
Not bad, not bad. Guys, we have a visitor.
Anybody home?
Thang Khotin Chon Khong Sai from Vingnom village.
I'm so
With his
sorry, my
friend.
brother. Another mukbang.
So he was the winner of 3x spicy noodle challenge,
I'll never try this again, mom.
and he's here back for the Maggi challenge, guys. Welcome, welcome.
I'm so sorry, I'm all wet, man. See, last time I left my watch.
Sanjay, where is his watch?
On top of the filter.
So, Chon is here for his watch. He couldn't sleep because of this watch.
I had a bad dream.
Taste this Maggi. It is Prasant's recipe.
Let's see my reaction.
Rainbow kitchen.
Prasant was worried.
I'm happy now.
Chon came up with a plan. So we're gonna go to this waterfall. Wow. This is
beautiful.
amazing. What? Alright guys, so if you want to watch the vlog in that waterfall, subscribe if you haven't subscribed and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss when I upload the video. It's gonna be freaking amazing, guys. Check this out, guys. 2 super bikes. See you soon, guys. Alright, guys, let's skate. Whoa! Let's see Prasant riding his skateboard. Hey! Awesome! Oh. Whoa! All right, go. I think it's police. Yeah, it is police. Yeah. No, it's not police. We thought it was the cops, guys. Yes, yes, bro, you're a pro now. Yes, 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 awesome. Hey! So I'm gonna mount a GoPro onto the skateboard. Let's
go.
See. Let's start.